Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping use to avoid overwriting data. Immediately copy any readable files off the card. Next, connect the SD card via a reliable reader to a computer with admin access so you can run diagnostics. Once done, identify the card capacity and label so you can compare later results. Make sure no other card is connected to avoid confusion. Then open your File Explorer and check whether the card mounted, what file system it shows, and if files appear corrupted or missing. You should run file system checks. On Windows, use chkdsk/f. On Mac OS or Linux, run fsck after unmounting. These commands reveal and sometimes repair metadata corruption. Make sure to note errors. Next, run a full surface test with the manufacturer tool or H2 testwa to verify bad sectors and write/read integrity. These tests show whether capacity is genuine and sectors fail. Meanwhile, test read/write speed with a benchmark tool and compare to the card's rated speed to detect slow degrading cells. You now try targeted recovery. Run PhotoRec or Recuva to salvage files before reformatting. These tools read raw data even when file system is broken. Once recovered, reformat the card to FAT32 or XFAT and retest. If diagnostic tools still report bad sectors or false capacity, replace or claim warranty. If problems continue sporadically, make sure to swap the card reader, cables, and try a different host device to rule out port or driver faults. That single swap often reveals the real culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.